You actually filming?
Oh, so I'm really excited, and so is Alex.
You have some pros with the pants there?
They're a little tight. Oh, these guys do not like our look.
Aw, look who's here.
Anyway, I'm getting off topic.
Okay, you're getting off topic. Tell me.
So we're really excited because when we originally saw this place, there's a piece of land right near it. We've kind of talked about it in other videos that has a little stream going through it. And we were really interested in kind of having that land, and we talked to this gentleman about it and tried to work it out because it's a really cool feature to have a stream on your land. But turns out that we actually have our own stream, but over time it just got clogged and built up and stagnant in different places. So we actually had the guys use the machinery over there, you can see.
And
The water is coming from Devil's Bit Mountain. It comes all year round. And so they freed up a lot of the water so that it actually started flowing. And now you can see we actually have like a stream of water. So all this dirt that you're seeing, there's my finger, all this, they just dug up, and we'll put that clay somewhere else. But you can see it's a lot of water, and they freed it all up. And it actually right here is funny because it goes underground and then pops out over there like a natural Irish spring. But we're gonna actually try to build a little pond, a little man-made pond, and have it end over there. And it's really exciting because we didn't think this would be happening. It's like a cool little thing, like a really cool little thing.
Then what we basically is doing, we're just bringing it back, right?
Yeah. Well, I was talking to Jimmy that owns one of the companies right by the corner. He was telling me this is all in here.
Right.
And that's all you're doing is you're cleaning it.
Yeah, exactly.
So we'll just be doing the same on this side, just slightly bringing the
Bring it,
and clean it that the water can flow.
yeah.
But they're nice features. Like if you were out here walking, I mean,
It
they're
looks
lovely
nice,
features.
like a little steps, right?
And they're natural, like they're there.
yeah.
And it makes a little bit of a sound.
It does. Well, the water is lovely, isn't it? Your avenue coming up.
Yeah, exactly.
Like-
we need now to think about it for the next 15 years.
Yeah, because like if you have a window to sow, we'll say a bare root, you have a window till the end of March.
Yeah.
And or you can't sow bare root, so it's a good time of the year now if you want to sow your trees, like.
Yeah, and I have
Even for the avenue bill going up, like I know we mightn't see them in our lifetime, but they'll be a nice oak are beautiful.
One of the features that is, you know, what they call the birch trees, the white ones?
Birch, silver birch.
Yeah, you know when they have the riches of yeah, and so like you just plant them in like in a circle, there's one stage somewhere.
I actually have them in a diamond.
I do you, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. What are we doing, Colin?
Okay, so today we made little sticks with labels on them, or flags, I don't know what you want to say. So we're going along the little river that we had made, which we're so excited about, that goes into the lake. We went to a nursery down the road called Dundrum. They were really nice to us, gave us a great deal. We got really nice, like full, like what's our biggest tree? Like maybe 9 meters?
14, 14 feet.
14 feet? Yeah, you get it. Anyway, big, large trees. And so right now we're just focusing along the riverbed and around the lake. And then we just got a couple because it's going to be real natural. But now we're realizing that we actually have a lot more river to cover than we thought in our little drawing. Where's our drawing?
I have it in my pocket.
Here, get it out. We have, in our drawing, we have all these little spots for all these little things. I don't know if you can see that. Boop, boop. But when you actually look at it, we have way more ground to cover than this little piece of paper. So it turns out that I think we might need to go grab a couple more things. But we're kind of a little bit rushing because we're trying to get all this planted before the end of March. Because if you can't get the bare root planted by the end of March, you have to get potted, and they're a lot more expensive. So yeah, it's a really marshy day, but now we're going to put up Alex's
Birch circle.
we're going to do a birch circle, witch's circle. So we got 7 paper birch trees, white paper birch. They're very large,
Yeah.
maybe 15 feet.
Yeah.
And we're going to put them in a circle of 7 diameters apart. Well, I don't want to tell you too much, but it's going to be exciting.
Okay.
All right, so I know that it looks like I'm planting this, but I did just find a reservoir.
Actually, you can see it
Oh yeah,
over there.
you can see it. So this is a piece of the old original clay pipe, probably like 150 years old. We had mentioned that the water goes underground and then pops back up in like this very natural spring. I'm guessing this is probably, they built some clay pipes like this and the water goes under so that people could cross the field and then it pops back out. But it's kind of cool because you could see it like along the side. They cleaned up a lot of it, but I don't know. I just like that kind of stuff. I think it's fascinating. Oh, and don't film the water right now. We're gonna see how
Steady your boots, eh?
no, Chris's walls are. Yeah, that one's wobbly. These ones are pretty secure.
I let Colin go forward.
Okay, so you got 3 secure ones.
Okay.
Boom, boom, boom. Sludging through the sludge. Oh,
No, I know. It's so
that's really, really.
wet still. It was raining this morning.
I
right?
know, it's sunny and pretty. And we just were looking at the lake that we're building. So we've come up with words. Where's the, we have a pond, a lake.
Exactly. Lake, pond.
We're planting the weeping willow that Alex got me for Christmas. It's my favorite tree. It is, it's a big tree. I mean, that's like 15 feet high. Well, I'm not that good with building the bridge.
Yeah.
Literally out of Douglas fir. And we planted that guy.
You've done your best. Will you get power down here, do you think?